to retrieve the aligning parts and to substitute the matching parts with something else. In contrast to pattern recognition, the pattern is rigidly specified. Such a pattern concerns conventionally either sequences or tree structure. AIML. The XML dialect called AIML was developed by Richard Wallace and a worldwide free software community between the years of 1995 and 2002. It formed the basis for what was initially a highly extended ELISA called Alice, which won the annual Lebanon Prize contest for most human computer 3 times and was also the Chatterbox Challenge competition in 2004. Prolog. Prolog, while initially aimed at natural language processing, the language has since then stretched far into other areas like theorem providing, expert systems, games, automated answering systems, ontologies, and sophisticated control systems. Modern Prolog environments supports the creation of graphical user interfaces as well as administrative and networked applications. Linkerboard technology. In linkerboards, both the words and the grammatical structure of the user's input are analyzed using customized templates. This facilitates the development of user model, which is used in conjunction with the conversational context and specific words in the dialogue to determine the chatbot's response. Responses might include further conversation with the user, reading or writing to external systems, or a combination of these. This rich range of responses allows for intelligent conversation with the user and provides the ability to steer the user back to the task in hand if they stray from the design discussion content for too long. Turing test. It proceeds as follows. A human judge engages in a natural language conversation with one human and one machine, each of which try to appear human. All participants are placed in isolated locations. If the judge cannot reliably tell the machine from the man, the machine is said to have passed the test. In order to test the machine's intelligence rather than its ability to render words into audio, the conversation is limited to a text-only channel such as computer keyboard and screen. Chatbot competitions. Competitions focus on the Turing test or more specific goals. Two such annual contests are Lebanon Prize, the Chatbot Challenge. Lebanon Prize. The Lebanon Prize format of the competition is that of a standard Turing test. A human judge poses text questions to a computer program and a human being via computer. Based upon the answers, the judge must decide which is which. The Chatbot Challenge. The Chatbot Challenge is a contest that provides really fun, simple and inexclusive way for all children to practice their speech and language skills. It will be also interesting and amazing for everyone who wants to chat with the best chatbots. Modern approaches of chatbots. Automated conversational systems have now progressed, and large companies such as Lloyd Banking Group, Royal Banking of Scotland, Renault, Citroën are already using them instead of call centers to provide a first point of contact. Customizable bots. The Jabberwocky website offers users the opportunity to create their own bots, which they can teach. By having an individual bot, people can program it to have any personality they wish simply by having conversations. There is fee for this service, however. Malicious chatterbots. Malicious chatterbots are frequently used to fill chat rooms with spam and advertising, or to entice people into revealing personal information such as bank account numbers. They are commonly found on Yahoo Messenger, Windows Live Messenger, AOL Instant Messenger, and other constant messaging protocols. NLP, Natural Language Processing. The main technique behind the chatbot is natural language processing. Natural language processing, a field of cognitive science derived from artificial intelligence and linguistics, deals with the generation and comprehension of natural human language by computer or other artificial agents. Techniques and technologies developed in this discipline are used to solve some problems found in modern personal desktop assistants. By using NLP as well as data mining techniques, a chatbot can be built which follows the power of traditional search engines, especially desktop search engines, and the user friendliness and responsiveness of chatbots like ELISA or artificial linguistics internet computer entity, or creating a truer digital personal assistant.
What is AIML? AIML, or Artificial Intelligence Markup Language, enables people to input knowledge into chatbots. AIML was developed by the Elise Free Software Company during 1995 to 2000. It was originally adapted from a non-XML grammar also called AIML, and formed the basics for the first Alice bot. AIML describes a class of data objects called AIML input objects, and partially describes the behavior of computer programs that process them. AIML objects are made up of units called topics and categories. Category. The basic unit of knowledge in AIML is called a category. Each category consists of an input question, an output answer, an optional context, and stimulus. The question is called the pattern. The AIML pattern language is simple, consisting only of words, spaces, and the wildcard symbols underscore and star. The words may consist of letters and numerals but no other characters. The pattern language is case invariant. Words are separated by single space, and the wildcard characters functions like words. Tags. AIML currently supports two ways to interface other languages and systems. The system tag executes any program accessible as an operating system shell command and inserts the result in reply. Similarly, the JavaScript tag allows arbitrary scripting inside the templates. The original context portion of the category consists of two variants called that tag and topic tag. The that tag appears inside the category, and its pattern must match the robot's last utterance. Remembering one last utterance is important if the robot asks a question. The topic tag appears outside the category and